Here's a drill for practicing playing strings. Take your first finger, put it on the 6th string, 5th fret, and strike that string with your picking hand. So remember, have a nice firm grip of the pick and play over the sound hole. Remember to press down firmly with your left finger. And press straight down and right up next to the edge of the fret. Now take your 3rd finger and put it on the 5th string, 7th fret. Pick that string. Take your 4th finger, put it on the 4th string, 7th fret. Pick that one. Take your 2nd finger, put it on the 3rd string, 6th fret, and pick that string. Take your 1st finger, put it on the 2nd string, 5th fret, pick that string, and then take your 1st finger and lay it across the 5th fret on the 1st string. And then go back down and pick each string as you go back down. And that was fast. Try doing that really slowly from the 1st string, 5th fret, down to the 2nd string, 5th fret, down to the 3rd string, 6th fret, down to the 4th string, 7th fret, down to the 5th string, 7th fret, down to the 6th string, 5th fret, and then back up. And each time you strike the string, make sure that it sounds nice and full and that it rings out. You don't hear any fret buzz.